In Packet Tracer 7.0, new network devices have been added to stay up with the connecting world. New devices mean new protocols added also. You have many sample files to assist you in learning the new protocols and how they are used with the new devices. These are the new protocols being used in Packet Tracer 7.0. We will explain what they do and where the sample file is to use the protocol. Hot Standby Routing Protocol, HSRP, is a Cisco proprietary redundancy protocol for establishing a fault-tolerant default gateway. The protocol establishes a framework between network routers in order to achieve default gateway failovers if the primary gateway becomes inaccessible. Port mirroring on a Cisco system switch is generally referred to as Switch Port Analyzer, or SPAN, or Remote Switch Port Analyzer, which is RSPAN. Network engineers use port mirroring to analyze and debug data or diagnose errors on a network. At the present, a sample file is being developed. One-to-one Layer 2 NAT is a service that allows the assignment of a unique public IP address to an existing private IP address, so that the end device can communicate on both the private and public subnets. This service is configured in a NAT-enabled device and is the public alias of the IP address physically programmed on the end device. When Cisco Industrial Ethernet switches are deployed on the factory floor, they offer connectivity to the directly connected manufacturing devices. A failed manufacturing device must be repaired immediately in the existing network or replaced by a new device. The DHCP protocol recognizes DHCP clients by the client identifier option in the DHCP packet. Clients who do not include the client ID option are identified by the client hardware address. The DHCP server port-based address allocation feature introduces the capability to ensure that the same IP address is always offered to the replacement device as the device being replaced. This IP address is always offered to the same connected port even as the client ID or client hardware address changes in the DHCP messages received on that port. The SFP transceiver module is a hot pluggable I/O device that plugs into module sockets. The transceiver connects the electrical circuitry of the module with the optical or copper network. The Precision Time Protocol, PTP, synchronizes with nanosecond accuracy the real-time clocks of the devices in a network. PTP identifies the switch port that is connected to a device with the most precise clock. PTP is particularly useful for industrial automation systems and process control networks where motion and precision control of instrumentation and test equipment are important. REP is a protocol used in order to replace the spanning tree protocol in some specific Layer 2 network designs. Major benefit of REP is the ease of configuration. LLDP allows network devices to advertise information about themselves to other devices on the network. This protocol runs over the data link layer, which allows two systems running different network layer protocols to learn about each other. LLDP is a one-way protocol that transmits information about the capabilities and current status of a device and its interface. LLDP devices use the protocol to solicit information only from the other LLDP devices. Switches now have ROM-MON commands allowing password recovery as an option. These routers and switches are mostly used in an IoT situation in either a factory or in a remote area. They can be used to create some very interesting uses of a connected network. The 1000 CGR series routers are designed to be used in field area networks. They are designed to operate reliably in various types of harsh environments, ranging from indoor substations to outdoor pole-top deployments. They support a variety of communication interfaces such as WiMAX 2G, 3G, and 4G LTE, 900 MHz RF mesh, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. The Cisco 819 integrated service routers are designed to be compact, hardened or non-hardened form factors. It supports cellular and WLAN capabilities. Markets that benefit from these applications include industrial automation, transportation, financial, healthcare, utility, and retail. The IOX models allow you the use of virtual machines for specific customizations needed by the client. The Cisco 829 ISR is a rapidly deployable, highly available, and secure device designed specifically for mobile IoT applications in harsh environments. Deployable in high-speed police and sheriff vehicles, on city buses, and in fleet vehicles. The Cisco 829 hardened ISR solution for mobile IoT applications where space, heat, disposition, low power consumption, exposure to extreme temperatures, and harsh mobile environments are critical factors. The PT Home Gateway is modeled after an ISP's home gateway that gives the home client internet access and possible IP services such as security and monitoring of your home. You will be seeing more and more services being offered by ISPs in the future. We can use the Home Gateway for demonstrating the possibilities of IoT in the home. Enjoy using the new networking devices and the sample files that will assist you in learning more about the connected world.